Hey guys, Panama City Hydrographics. Here's my face. So, ooh, that doesn't look good, huh? Must have drank something that stained my teeth. Looks terrible. Anyway, so I just got back from the machinist. I took the block over to him. It's a local guy, small shop, runs it by himself, cool as hell. Anyway, he says send it. So I'm super excited. I was really concerned about whether or not I was going to have to hone out my block. I mean, well, not hone it, but have it bored out, which of course would necessitate the need to buy new pistons, and yeah, I didn't want to have to deal with all that. So, you know, it's an unneeded expense. You know, I want to be able to, I want this thing to be stout, but I want it to be simple, because it's going to be way more than enough power than what we need in that little, you know, 2,000 pound or below car. I'm not sure what our final weight's going to be when we get the cage and all that stuff in there. Well, as far as we end up going down that road anyway, who knows. But anyway, I'm super excited. He just ran a little dingleberry hone through it. Said it took off whatever hard edges were in there, and anything remaining after running it for a few minutes should go away and be smooth and fine. He said that he had no concerns about longevity or wear or nothing. Clean it out good, make sure I get all of the residual rust out of the oil passages, because the oil will break it loose and then it'll find its way inside of our bearings, which is a good bit of information, because some of those oil passages, I guess I'm new to this, so I really wasn't aware of the fact that what I was looking at wasn't an oil passage. It wasn't a coolant passage, it was an oil passage. So, you know, areas to focus on, you know, use a rifle brush to go through the passages, make sure I pull out that aluminum dumbbell I used to replace the plastic one that goes on LS's. Anyway, all in all, I'm rambling and stuff, but I'm really excited. So that means that today, we're going to run over to the hardware store, see if we can't find a small engine cleaning brush set or something like that, and some brake cleaner, and go about getting this engine buttoned up and closed as much as we possibly can, so that we don't have to deal with moisture or dirt or any other nonsense down the road. I'd like to be able to close this up and forget about it. You know, then all we have to worry about is sensors, harness, priming the oil pump, and our first startup setup. So I'm really excited, and we got some work to do. So I'll check back in with you guys later.